my most recent score over here, underneath the good old cover. Alrighty. 1979 Dodge Magnum XE. It gets better. Wha! T-top car. Good old T-tops. Oh yeah. Brown too. Oh, that just screams 70s. Let's take a second here and just absorb the nostalgia. This fine machine. It's a pretty badass car. 360, 2-barrel. Car was sitting for, I believe it was parked around 96, 97. Last New Jersey inspection it has, 1998. Runs and drives. I actually drove this home from the guy's house. Gentleman that sold it to me, he put a battery in it, changed the fluids, and that was basically it. After that, it was good to go. Just dig out my assortment of keys. Seats have seen way better days. Oh, she was used. She was used. It was somebody's car, and it was used like a car. However, it was cared for. It was in a garage, and you know, the rough a shape it's in, you can't blame the guy. He used it, he drove it, he owned it since I think he said he bought it in 1985. But I got it. The guy I got it from, he bought it in 85. But yeah, fire it up, pull it out. Pumps of the pedal. Oh, fired right up. Look at that. Oh, those brakes are something to be desired. The drive back was fairly smooth. Only issues we ran into were the tires were just god-awful. I thought they were just going to explode going down the parkway. I drove this car 2 hours home from the guy's house. And I actually went down to buy a different car, and that didn't work out. And if I had known I was going to purchase this, I probably would have taken a trailer, but I didn't. So I didn't feel like making a second trip, so we just took it all up in one shot and crossed our fingers. And, hey, it made it. Alright, back it up a little bit. Out of the way. And that under the hood there is the good old little small block 360. Still has all of its factory air components on it. May actually work with a charge. The engine just purrs like a kitten. It runs great. Alternator charges like it needs to. No bad noises, no knocks, no clunks, nothing. I mean, it's just great. The car actually, surprisingly, is still running with the factory lean burn computer. These things were awful. Constantly known for failure. But sometimes you got a good one, and in this case, I guess this would be a good one. But yeah, usually people retrofit, not retrofit, but people install electronic ignition off of an early-year car instead of running a lean burn computer. But yeah, if you took out your lean burn computer, gutted your cats, and put a 4-barrel on your car, you had a pretty good powerhouse back then. But yeah, nothing too crazy. 360 2-barrel, runs great, nice and reliable. That's just a good motor. Alrighty. It's a shame it's so rusty. I love this car. It's got all the options I want. Even the color's not that bad, even though it's brown. Oh yeah, she's a good car. It's got some skip in its step. Not a 4-barrel, but it does have a 360, which is nice. Oh yeah. She's good. Come on, keep going. I can't go through if you don't move. There you go, buddy. Yeah, surprisingly, the brake lines actually held up on this. One of the calipers was a little sticky. Had trouble releasing, but I was able to free it up a little bit. It's probably going to have to get replaced if anybody wants to drive this thing. Originally, my plan with this car was I was considering cutting the roof off of this and busting this up for parts, because I want the T-top roof for a different project. But however, I ran it by some people online, asked for some opinions, and everybody kind of took a liking to this car, surprisingly, and was like, no, don't cut it up, dude, don't do that. So I said, all right, well, I need a roof. And someone on there was actually, 2 people on there were actually nice enough to offer me free T-top roofs already cut off of other parts cars. And I have a couple of people that are interested in purchasing this car and restoring it, which would be really nice, because I think this thing's very deserving of a restoration. Alright, just cut around left. Even the power steering, I mean, it's just so smooth and nice. Just one palm. Flick it around. Throw this car around like nobody's business. Oh, that's neutral. There's reverse. Transmission shifts nice. I just can't go wrong with this thing. I love it. I mean, it's like it's so rough and rusty, but at the same time, it's just awesome. I dig it. It's a good car.